Welcome to the Accessible Web Ramp User Guide. In today's video, we're going to take a look at ways to invite users to your Ramp account or organization. Organizations within Ramp can manage whole portfolios of websites and projects. In order to simplify the process of inviting new users, we typically encourage users to invite new team members via their organization. This gives team members access to all of the websites and projects owned by that organization. Alternatively, you can invite users or clients, if you're an agency, to a specific website or project, and we'll take a look at that after. So first, if you want to invite a new user to your organization, you'll navigate to My Account, and you'll find the organization you want to invite them to. So once you click into your organization, under Plan Details, you'll see this Users section, and now you can click Manage next to it. Within this view, you can add users, either as members or as admins. Admins are responsible or are able to manage billing. They can also invite new users and revoke user access, and they have full feature access otherwise. Members will have full access to the websites and projects owned by an organization, as well as full access to all of the features associated with the organization's plan, including the guided manual audit tool. So say you are working with team members who are only on one or two of your websites or projects, and you don't want to give them access to the full portfolio of sites and projects. In that case, you'll go to the specific website you want to give them access to, and you'll navigate to Ramp Settings. Within Ramp Settings, you'll go to the Teams tab. Here is another option to add users. You can add either single users or organizations, and for the sake of this demo, we're going to do a single user because organizations would rarely be invited here unless you are an enterprise or agency with a more complex user permission configuration. So inviting a single user, you'll have the option to invite them as a member or a manager. You can explore the various permission levels depending on if you want them to have the ability to invite new users and revoke access to existing users on the team. In most cases, if you're inviting a contractor or a client into Ramp and they're only managing this one site, you'll probably invite them as a member. One thing to note is that they will not have access to all the features associated with your plan, specifically the guided manual audit tool, if they only have website level Ramp access here and they're not associated with the organization that owns the plan. If you have any questions about configuring user access in Ramp, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are happy to support you with inviting users, and for larger enterprises and agencies, we are happy to assist with more complex user permission configuration. All right, thank you.